You know, I wanted to do that mail call because I want to outreach people right now. Oh, that is
All right.
so. Just to
Oh,
show
yeah. So this,
everybody,
what is
um,
this mail call? Okay.
it's got the label on it, so I'll take the label off because I just wanted to show everybody that it does have a label.
So
But
just to let everybody know, this is a live. We're live right now, Saturday night. Aged up 50. Love, like, and don't forget and subscribe. Facebook and Instagram. So welcome everybody. We got new collector Gary's Diecast, brother Steven and Jeremy over here. And Charles had to leave, but mucho mahalos for hanging out. Steven
yeah.
says, oh, like the green saba.
So
Okay.
this is a mail call. Now I got caught the last few weeks playing around on eBay trying to find a Cybertruck, a Tesla Cybertruck. And before I knew what they were selling for, I took the current ones, whatever I could find, and I bid them up to see where the maximums were. And it bit me in the ass 4 times. My bids ended up being above what anyone else was gonna pay. So uh, I got four Tesla trucks. All four auctions I bid on, I won all four. So um, I do have. I was gonna open another one. This one just came in today, so you can see the packaging. I did open the top, and I wanna pull this one out because I want you to see that the guy packed it. It's kind of padded. It's that envelope that's got the padding inside. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the padding did jack to protect it. And thank goodness that I planned on opening one and I didn't open the ones that came in earlier. Here it is in its smashed glory, the Cybertruck.
Yeah, you see how it's all boss like, oh, bro, that would have been mine. You beeping out on, right? Because, especially like, when I get stuff from eBay, I always check, right? I always go with guys that are 100% and guys that have sold like anywhere between 500 and up of stuff. So I always buy from guys that are like veterans. And there's no excuse for doing dumb stuff like this other than being some cheap douchebag that's trying to save a few pennies off of this.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And you know what? You got the damn thing for dollar. I don't even know what it costs to be there, what, 96 cents or whatever? And then, you know what I mean? You can't even pack the thing right. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it gets damaged, and then what?
So this is
And
the
then
third one. The third one that arrived. The
$3
first,
shipping.
huh? You're
No what?
sorry, you're cutting out. That's why. Um, so this is the third one I got of the four. The fourth one is still on the way. The first two came in one auction. It was a lot. Came in a box and they came perfectly. So my neighbor wants a Tesla, so from my collection I pulled out all the duplicate Teslas that I have and I gave them to him and I pulled one of these out and gave it to him. So I have one more on the way and I have another one on the that I was gonna open up, but I ended up I'm ending up going to have to open this one because this is the one that's destroyed, which is fine because you got to destroy it to open it. But I didn't wanna. I want one kept good because I think this is going to be something that it's one of those that's going to end up doing good in the long run. This is the concept version was silver, and I think they'll probably come up with other colors later. But I think this is the one that's going to be that's highly sought after. It's not
Could be.
technically a Zamac, although it does look like it's an unpainted version.
But that's what the trucks come out like, the Larat.
Well, the concept one, yeah, but they're probably gonna come out with
Yeah.
other colors later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gary says it's Sunday morning. Hey, good morning, Gary. And Duke Collector said, I traded for those Cybertrucks from IG. Steven says, Boss One is saying, starting big $1. Or big dollars, no big dollars. And Boss 2, yes, I would be living, of course. New Collector says, when Tesla rules the world, it'll be worth something.
Oh yeah, yeah,
And you know, everybody kept laughing at him. Now look.
yeah. Well, well, Elon Musk, you know, he's kind of eccentric, so. But you know, Tesla is not actually his company, right? He became CEO of Tesla in the late 2000s. He
Yeah.
doesn't. I don't know if he actually owns it now, but he might have bought out all the shares and just owns
Probably
it now.
did.
But you know, he Tesla on the map better than it was before.
Yep.
Tesla's not even his name; it's actually a person's name, the inventor of DC Power. So
His stock is actually blowing up, and then now they're doing solar and all kinds of other stuff. So yeah,
yeah,
and you never know something. This is an odd shape for a truck. You know what I mean?
yeah,
You know, not the nicest looking. You know, and you know, Teslas have been gaining a lot of popularity. So you never know. It could take. You know, I mean,
yeah. Is this gonna end up being the Holy Grails? I don't know. It might. You know. You still there?
yeah, it's the one you cannot dent, right?
No. I think this is the one he said the windows are bulletproof. And whoa! I just jumped forward. I thought it was gonna roll off. I think this is the one he said the windows are bulletproof, and then he tried to prove it, and then he broke the window. It's kind of. I didn't see it. I didn't see the video, but that's what I heard.
New Collector said he loves the shape of it 100, and he says he's a Tesla fanboy.
Yeah, Tesla is cool. I think they're gonna. I think they're gonna do. I think very innovatively, we needed somebody to actually prove that an all electric vehicle can have, you know, four motors in it rather than just one big one, four small motors or two small motors at the wheels, and you can still have a fully functional car. So, I think he's innovative on that, or at least the company was, and they're gonna go for a while. My only
Well,
concern is
I'm
the
pretty
battery.
sure that I'm pretty sure I could be mistaken, but the body, I know they was whacking the body and the thing never dent.
Yeah, I think it might be like a composite of some kind.
Yeah.
I don't,
Because they was whacking them and they said the thing no rust, no dent,
yeah.
something else. That'd be good, bro, because you can just road rage all day. Guys gonna be kicking your door and nothing gonna happen.
Well,
Get up the
Saturn
car, you freako.
Saturn was the same too, right? Saturn had plastic doors, so they would pop
they
right
did?
out. Yeah.
Oh. New Collector said he did a custom of this already and gave it to his son, and he grinded it on the concrete.
Oh. Wow.
Steven says that car could be equivalent to the April O'Neil of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle line. I think just its uniqueness, plus to see the wheels on those things. It's actually a deep dish, and I think those are perfect candidates for being chromed
Oh yeah, yeah.
because they look like they got a lip to them. Yeah, that's the same rims they was putting on the Ford F-150s and the Raptors, and I would chrome them, and the thing came out real nice.
Yeah.
I would show you guys, but the paint job I put on there is ugly, so I don't let you guys laugh.
We won't. Too loud.
But the rims, when I chromed them, came out nice just because of how they are. They have a lip to them and they have blades, and it's a very nice design. Those rims are really cool. Like, if you chrome that, you don't even need to change them to rubber wheels. It just looks good as is. Because there's also, I believe there's threading too on the wheels too, yeah?
Yep.
You can see the tread, yeah, on the tires. So technically they look like, but some guys like rubber tires. It's a lot better, but I mean, I'm just too lazy to go drill the thing out and redo them.
So the body is stainless steel.
It's stainless steel. Oh, you looked it up.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now.
Look like all they did was get one rectangle and shape it and put wheels on top. That's what Steven's saying.
Or like a triangle.
Yeah. Also, it's stainless steel.
Yeah, so that's why it doesn't rust. But it will dent. Stainless steel will dent.
Yeah, I was gonna say stainless steel will dent.
I seen an advertisement for camper tops for these, and they're like, you know, your tiny homes kind of camper tops.
Yeah.
And apparently they have so much orders for it that they don't know if they can fulfill it all in the short amount of time that they have till this truck gets released.
Because this truck ain't in production yet, right?
No, I think it comes out later this year, I think.
How dumb can you be to go order one camper top and the truck not even out yet?
Oh. We're talking like mobile home kind of camper top, not just the camper top though.
Oh.
Yeah, these guys are, I mean, they're probably going to spend like 10, 20, 30,000 cuz they're going to customize it, and it's supposed to be an off-road truck, so you can take it anywhere.
You need to go buy all of that before the truck come out.
Oh no, I don't think they bought it yet. I think they're just saying that they have so much orders for them that it's far exceeding what they thought they would be making.
Now they better make them fit good.
Yeah. So they apparently they were given one truck to size. So they could build it to fit.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's close this one out.
All right, so this right here is the 2021 Tesla truck, or the concept truck. Right here, live on HW50 every Saturday. We do it here live. Big ups to everybody that's on with us right now. Brother Steven, New Collector. I don't know if Jeremy is still with us. Gary's Diecast. I'd like to thank everybody for hanging out with us. So like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can get all the notifications. And also check us out on Instagram and Facebook, because we update those as well. So we are out of here. Thanks for stopping by. HW50 coming back.
All right.